Okay, now let's look at this HTML code that I put into place. So you know that these are all tags. This is our body tag, head tag, title tag, and then we have the HTML tag. We've seen these all before, but what we haven't seen before is this thing. This is called the Doctype tag. And this is one of those tags in HTML where there's no closing tag. There's just one, Doctype. And what this tag does, it just tells the web browser which version of HTML we are using. I'll get into the details about doctypes later and the versions of HTML. So just understand now that this is the latest version of the doctype. So this is the one you're going to be using all the time. First thing you put into any HTML page is your doctype, so that you're telling the web browser that I'm using the latest version of HTML in my HTML pages. Okay, the HTML tags, that was the opening here and the closing here. This tells the web browser that this is the beginning of the HTML code and this is the end of the HTML code. So that's pretty clear. A web page has two major sections. It has the head section and it has the body section. The head section contains all kinds of extra information about your page that are not viewable in the web browser, meaning you don't see it in the actual page that you load. The only exception to that, of course, is the title tag, as we've seen before. So let's add a title. I'm going to call it our first page, and we'll save that. And let's preview in the browser, open in browser. And as you can see, we have nothing in the body, so our page is blank. This would be the body area. But you see in our tab, our first page with a period. I don't like the period there, so I'm just going to take it out. And that's just because I just don't like the way it looks. So we'll save that. There we go. The period is gone. We could do some crazy things like this. And yeah, we'll save that. There it is, right? So there's all kinds of different things we can put in our title. So let me just delete this again because whatever, we don't really need it. Okay, enough of that. So let's now add some stuff to our body. As you just saw, Sublime Text, our code editor, auto-completed the paragraph for me. Let me do that again just in case you missed it before. So I'm going to put the angled brackets, hit P, and it gives us suggestions. I can tab up and down, use my arrow key rather to go up and down and choose, but I want to go with the P tag. I just hit enter and it finishes the tag for us. I'm going to type in. Simple enough. And let's preview in browser, open in browser. There we go. This is our first. Now that's the old page. There we go. We reloaded it. So here we go. This is our first paragraph. We've created our very first web page on the desktop. Yes, a simple page, but now we've done it.